Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have some Bath and Body Works to go over. Now it is kind of a lazy Sunday, and it's kind of rainy mid-afternoon, 3:30. So forgive me, I know I don't have any makeup on or anything. I just have been taking it easy today. I have a pot roast in the oven or not in the oven, in the crock pot. And it's just one of those days. And I have filmed a few videos today, so that's kind of good that I'm getting some stuff done, but forgive that you'll have to, I got a 20% off coupon online. Forgive that you'll have to look at my mug. So I got candles because they had them on special, and I thought that would be fun. I think I got a few other things too, but let me get all the candles out. And I have another box that's on the ground over here that I haven't gotten out yet. I was going to take my dog to the park and take a walk, but it is rainy, so that is not happening today. I have some homemade bread too that one actually is for my son to bake. It's rising now. Okay, so for this one I think I'm just going to leave it down here and just pull the things out. Somebody's car. Okay, so the first thing I'll show you, I guess, is this car freshener. This is for my husband. And then I got him a couple of things to go inside. I think I got him a couple and I got me a couple. This one's for him. It's mahogany teak wood. And then this black cherry merlot I think is for me. There should be a couple more in here. So as I come to them, I will let you know. It's mostly candles. So I have 3 soaps. I have 2 of the Gentle Foaming Vanilla Coconut. I know that my son likes that scent. And then I have a Warm Summer Breeze. And this is hand soap with coconut oil. Let's see if I can smell this. Ooh, that smells good. That smells really good. It smells clean and fresh and outdoorsy. And this one smells more coconutty. So this is for my son's bathroom, really. And besides the things that I should run into, it looks like everything else is candles. Okay, this is a White Barn one, and it's protected very well in this bubble wrap. Oh man, oh, it smells good. This is the almond, and it says made with essential oils, scented candle. Oh, and it smells like almond. It smells kind of like almond cookies, or, oh, it smells delightful. I am loving that one. That is very nice. And then the ones that I have out over here, there is a bourbon sea salt caramel. Oh, that smells really good. It smells mostly like sea salt caramel. I don't really smell much bourbon. Oh man, that is wonderful. Some of these just don't have a very good throw. That's the only problem I have with some of these candles, but I'm hoping. I'm always hopeful. And they had these on special. These are normally like $24.50 to $26.50 or something like that. How much was this one? Nope, $24.50. Maybe they're all $24.50. But they had them for, I think, $12.50. So this one is Cactus Blossom. I like the little guy. This kind of reminds me of Sweet Pea. It's a little bit sweet, a little bit florally, but very pretty. Very feminine smelling. Very nice. This one is the Frosted Cupcake. Oh, that one smells like frosting. Oh, I literally just salivated and made it feel like I wanted to have a cupcake. This is a stress reliever, eucalyptus. I actually got this one for my son. It's very dusty on the top. It's very good. I have this candle too. He actually got me this candle one year and I knew that he would like it, so I got one for him. So I'm going to put that one back in the box and just give this one to him. I think these boxes are really cool and creative. So I have some more. Oh, this one doesn't have a lid. Unless the lid fell off, because it doesn't even have a paper. And this one is the Summer Boardwalk Salted Caramel Popcorn. Buy the ticket, take the ride. Oh, this is so good. Oh my gosh, this is heavenly. Smells amazing. I'm gonna move this because I think it's gonna fall. This smells really, really good. This one is called Comfort. It is vanilla and patchouli. It's nice. Smells a little bit like Bengay, a little bit. It's all right. It's not bad. I mean, it says Comfort. I can see how this one would be. And it even has an aromatherapy symbol on the top. I don't know if you can see that, but this might kind of smells aromatherapy-y. This one looks fancy. This one is a praline pecan and it is a gold. This one was $26.50. And then the top looks fancy too. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Praline pecan. Oh my gosh. It smells like I am in Savannah, Georgia getting the praline. Oh, it smells so good. And this is really cool. It's like a marble. What do you guys do with your lids when you're done with them? I mean, I don't know what to do with them. And that's so pretty. This whole thing is beautiful. Man, I got some good candles. And here's another praline pecan. Oh, it is nice. I like the other packaging better, but it's the same candle. Here's another one of these. It's Endless Weekend. I'm not sure who I got that one for. Summer Boardwalk. Oh, yay. Oh, that is amazing. Caramel glazed popcorn, warm taffy apples, and salty sweet cream. I remember this from last year, and I loved it then. And here's a pistachio ice cream. Isn't that a cute little coating on the glass? Oh, that smells really good. It smells sweet like ice cream, but it has the pistachio scent, which I love. I love pistachios. I like to eat them. I like the ice cream. I like all of it. So kind of a gunmetal top. I've noticed that all of the gunmetal ones are quite dusty. Oh, that smells divine. They're really doing good. Oh my goodness, that Summer Boardwalk is just yum. This one is fresh cut lilacs. Oh my gosh, they all are as good as the other one. Oh, it's so good. It smells like just fresh cut lilacs. I love lilacs. I actually just got a lilac bush that my husband is going to plant for me out in front of my window here. I have one, but I wanted more because I love the scent of lilacs. And it was only $5.99. Here's the other one, and it is Noir. So I got this one for Dennis, and the Endless Weekend must be for me. This one is Lakeside Sunrise. It's very fresh smelling. What's it say? Sparkling bergamot, I don't know, pristine blue water, sugared citrus, creamy sandalwood. I don't know all of those scents, but I can tell you it smells good. It's not as my favorite compared to some of the others, but it's very nice. I have another one that's wrapped up all tight. Oh, it's a fresh cut lilac one again. Yay! So, oh, it smells wonderful. Wonderful. Looks like I have 3 more, I think. Another Summer Boardwalk with a lid. Oh, yes. Perfect. Vanilla Bourbon Peach. That smells really good. It kind of smells like a subtle peach. Maybe a little bit of bourbon and maybe a hint of vanilla, but not a lot. It's mostly peach, but it's just very subtle. Oh, but it's good. It smells really good. It's not as strong as the peach Bellini one that they have, or even the Georgia peach, but it smells really good. I don't know if they still have the peach Bellini, but I think they do still have the Georgia peach one. And then a fresh balsam. We love the scent of pine. Oh, and this is not disappointing. Oh my gosh. You know how some pine smells fake and kind of yucky? This one does not. This is wonderful. Man. I'm just double checking. Yes, I got them all. So that is everything that I got in my haul today. I know that it's a lot of candles, but man, oh man, are they nice. And I am so happy to have them. I have been burning candles every day, all day. So, well, not all day, but when I'm home. And I love it. And I've burned several, so I really like them. Not always for the scent, although that is nice too, of course, when you get a nice fresh scent, but also just for the ambiance, and it just makes me feel good. So do more of what makes you feel good. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.